In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog using Wix templates. If you've been thinking about sharing your thoughts and ideas with the world, then setting up a blog is a great way to start. With Wix, the process is straightforward and user-friendly, thanks in large part to their diverse selection of templates. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned blogger, this guide will help you get your blog up and running in no time. First, let's head over to the Wix website. It's the starting point of our journey and the gateway to creating a visually appealing blog. Once you're on the site, your first stop should be the Explore section. This is where you can uncover a treasure trove of inspiration, showcasing some of the most creative and engaging websites built on Wix. Clicking on Explore opens the door to endless possibilities, allowing you to see what's possible when creativity meets technology. As you venture further, click on Inspiring Websites. This section is designed to spark creativity. You can browse through various examples and gain valuable insights into what makes a website stand out. Click on any example that catches your eye. It's important to take note of design elements that resonate with you and that you might want to incorporate into your own blog. Now, scroll down to find the Explore Wix Templates option. Selecting this will lead you to a vast selection of templates specifically curated to help you craft a unique design for your blog. This stage is crucial in setting the foundation for your website's aesthetic. You'll find a plethora of template options designed for various types of sites. But since we're focusing on creating a blog, you should use the search function. Simply enter blog into the search bar and press enter. This will filter the templates, presenting you with multiple options tailored for blogging purposes. Each template is a starting point, a canvas waiting for your personal touch. Hover over or click on any template that draws your attention. You'll find an edit option pop up when you do this. Click on Edit to start customizing the template to fit your specific needs and style preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated how to create a blog using Wix templates. By following these steps, you're well on your way to having a beautifully designed blog that reflects your personality and engages your audience. Remember, this is just the beginning. Wix provides an array of tools and features that you can continue to explore and implement as you grow your blog. Enjoy the process, and happy blogging!